Hey, cheese lovers! Jimmy here, ready to take your mac and cheese game to the next level? Today, I've got 5 incredible mac and cheese upgrades that you absolutely need to try. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. If you're excited to get cheesy, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's dive into the cheesy goodness. First up, we're making bacon mac and cheese. You'll need 2 cups of elbow macaroni, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 6 slices of crispy bacon. Boil the macaroni, then drain. Cook the bacon until crispy. Crumble it into pieces. Melt butter, whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour. Add milk and cream, simmer. Sprinkle cheese, whisk until smooth. Season, stir in macaroni and bacon. Serve hot. Next up, we're turning up the heat with some buffalo chicken mac and cheese. Swap out the bacon for a pound of shredded chicken breast, a cup of buffalo wing sauce, and 1/2 cup of crumbled blue cheese. Make your cheese sauce as usual. Stir in the chicken and buffalo sauce. Mix until coated. Pour into a greased baking dish, top with blue cheese, and bake at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. Serve with celery sticks and extra buffalo sauce. All right, guys. It's time to get fancy with some lobster mac and cheese. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. You'll need a pound of cooked lobster meat. You can use fresh or frozen, along with the same ingredients from the bacon mac and cheese, but swap the bacon for a tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning and a 1/4 cup of dry sherry. To make this cheesy masterpiece, start by following the same steps as the bacon mac and cheese for the cheese sauce. Once your cheese sauce is ready, stir in the Old Bay seasoning and dry sherry. Gently fold in your cooked lobster meat, being careful not to overmix. Pour the mac and cheese into a greased 9x13 baking dish and pop it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Garnish with fresh parsley for a touch of elegance. Get ready for the ultimate comfort food mashup, jalapeno popper mac and cheese. This recipe combines cheesy mac and cheese and spicy jalapeno poppers. Swap out the bacon for 4 diced jalapenos, add 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 cup of crushed Ritz crackers. Make the cheese sauce as usual. Slice and de-seed jalapenos. Mix cream cheese and jalapenos. Fill jalapeno halves. Layer mac and cheese and jalapenos in a dish. Top with crushed Ritz crackers. Bake at 350 degrees for 15-20 minutes. Enjoy your golden, bubbly jalapeno popper mac and cheese. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're finishing strong with a BBQ pulled pork mac and cheese that's out of this world. For this flavor-packed masterpiece, you'll need all the same ingredients as the bacon mac and cheese, but swap the bacon for 2 cups of your favorite BBQ pulled pork and some crispy fried onion strings for topping. Just like before, start by following the same steps as the bacon mac and cheese to make your cheese sauce. Once it's ready, stir in your BBQ pulled pork and mix it all up until it's well combined. Pour the mac and cheese into a greased 9x13 baking dish and bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Top it off with a generous helping of crispy fried onion strings for that perfect crunch and a burst of savory flavor. Alright guys, there you have it. 5 epic mac and cheese upgrades that are guaranteed to take your taste buds on a wild ride. Which one are you going to try first? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're as obsessed with mac and cheese as I am. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future food adventures. Until next time, stay cheesy.